Alrighty, guys, we're live at 11:21 p.m. 11:21 p.m. battling for Josh's Lando General. Up at the top here, I'm going to pull our list of 12 spots, which I am going to copy and take over to random here to find our winner. 1 through 12 right there in a row. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Didn't. So I'm rolling them again. Didn't. So I'm rolling them again. Did. We're in at 7. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 7 rounds. Nate takes round 1. Jeff 2. Nate takes round 3. Thor takes round 4. Chris round 5. Jeff in the top spot for our next to last round, round 6, with number 6, bringing us inevitably to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And the winner is Nate Bickhart. In at number 7. Congratulations, Nate. Here's the verification. KPFFRT. Nate in at number 4 is our champion. I am done at 11:23. Little relieved I didn't win, actually. 11:23 it is. One last time. Here's the verification. Congratulations, Nate, in at number 4. See you next time. Thanks, guys.